DJ MTV.
Correct Ogbonge country people, una welcome to DJM TV News. My name na Stanley Okucha. Na me wan nakuna tori when don shele today. The leader of the Ash Revolutionary Protest and former presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC), Omoyele Sowore, don announce say arrangement don dey for ground for am to lead protest go Lekki Tollgate sake of the go-ahead when the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry don give the Lekki Continental Company LLC to reopen the Lekki Tollgate when dem be closed down since October 2020. Remember say the Lekki Tollgate dey closed down since that October last year when some people kpai and many wunjure when some soldiers when people believe say na government send them come begin shoot when the EndSARS protest dey shele for Lagos. The Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry come give the green light to the Lekki Concession Company LCC when they manage the toll gate to open am when they meet last Saturday when be 6th of February 2021. But Sowore for in Twitter handle come join many Naija people when don dey kick say make them not open the toll gate until the people when shoot, wunjure and kpai those people when come dey protest for the EndSARS protest when e shele for Naija for 2020. He comes to talk say until those people when they do the shooting, dem bring them come out and come make sure say yes, then judge their matter and give those when it be say na them na dey at fault, they give them the punishment when e suppose say the protest go start. Sake of this, he come say he go lead one big protest when go begin shele for the Lekki Tollgate on Saturday when be 13th of February 2021. Mr. Sowore comes to say if at Jide Sanwo-Olu when be governor of Lagos State and at follow Lagos government dey desperate for the toll gate money, make them go form toll gate for Tinubu Bodilion House when they dey for Ikoyi, say plenty traffic dey there and them go get plenty money from the political hustlers when they always enter and come out from there. As the matter dey go, some youth for Lagos don talk say them too go join for the protest and them don begin dey mobilize theirself for social media with the tag Ash Revolution Now and Ash Occupy Lekki Tollgate when don dey burst for social media as number 1 and number 2 mostly for Twitter. Even as some of the youth come dey street today, they display banners and pictures to make people know about the protest. Some of the banner when these youths carry come dey show no justice, no reopening and Occupy Lekki Tollgate and many others. As we first tell una say the Lagos State Judicial Panel of Inquiry don say dem make dem open the Lekki Tollgate, but out of the 9 members wey dey the panel, 4 of them come disagree say make dem no reopen the toll gate. And this disagreement when they get when make them say no, make dem not open the toll gate, go concern the forensic report when them say it get error and the council reject the application when the Lekki Concession Company LCC be sent come for them to look and give them the green light, make them go reopen the Lekki toll gate. The 4 members name so can be Mr. Ebun Olu Adegboruwa, SAN, Miss Patience Udo when represent the civil society, Rinu Oduala and Temitope Majekodomi when they represent the youth for the panel, while the chairman of the panel, retired Justice Doris Okuwobi Segun Awosaya, when they see they call Segalinks, Oluwatoyin Odusaya when be director of citizens' right, DIG Taiwo Lekanu when don retire, and Lucas Ikoyefo when they represent the National Human Rights Commission come agree say make them reopen the toll gate. For the protest when dey for the pipeline, one of the planners when him name be Dr. Chuks at Ahaneku Chuks tell country people say as the plan for the toll gate dey go on, so e good say make them strategize to make sure say wetin first happen before when the EndSARS protest start, so tey e con lead to many people come kpai and many people come wunjure, make e no happen for this same protest. E con still use opportunity take tell the people say time don reach o when e be say dem go take show government wetin dey get, and the time na be this time. Other youths wey be say e still chook mouth for the protest matter, many of them come talk say the way government take dey handle matter for obodo Nigeria, say belle no dey sweet them at all. Say why be say government go talk like this, go come dey do like this. Many of them talk say when government talk that time say they wan bring out that judicial panel of inquiry, say na to make sure say they find out wetin cause the youth to come out to come dey do protest. But now e come be like say the judicial panel when e be say government put na to just use am to take deceive the youth and even many Nigerians. Because say but this time no be everything wey be say government go just talk, they go just as agree put and begin dey waka like dumb baby when e no know e left from e right. Because now dem don wise up and they ready now to make sure say yes, anything when government do when e be say e no sweet their belle, they go always come out to protest because na their right to protest as the constitution of Naija e talk am. Country people, na here our tori for today reach. Until next time when we go come again with another tori when go don dey shele. My name remains Stanley Okocha for DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.